Hey friends, this is Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. In this video today, I will review a very nice car media adapter. This is from the famous AuroraLink brand and it's called the CarPlay Android TV box. Now, most of the CarPlay adapters I have tested on my channel run on the Qualcomm chip. But this adapter runs on the MediaTek 67658 core processor, and therefore the user interface is quite different and amazing. Very similar to the MMB Max device that I tested some time back. Now you can find all the specifications of this device in the description of this video or click on the product link below. Now the other thing that I love about this device besides the enhanced user experience is that it comes with a HDMI port. So I can connect this with the rear screens in my car or even use it as a TV box at home. Now let's first do the unboxing and then I will set this up in my car and test the performance of this new AuroraLink CarPlay Android TV box. So keep watching, guys. Alright, so this is the device and we will come back to this in a while. Let's check out the other contents in the box. So we get different cables. So this is a Type C to Type A cable. And then you also get a Type C to Type C cable. Depending on the connection in your car, you would need one of these. Alright, so the other thing that you get is a HDMI cable. And as I said earlier, this device also has the HDMI port. So you can connect it with either the rear screens in your car or even use it at home as a TV box. So HDMI cable. And then you also get a user manual. Now let's have a closer look at this device. It's a very lightweight, it's all plastic, very lightweight, a squarish design. It's extremely slim, as you can see. Very nice and slim, lightweight, nice design. You've got the LED indicator on the front here. Now in terms of the connections, you've got the HDMI connection here. Then you also have the Type C connection. This is where you connect the cable for the car. So Type C and HDMI. This is a mini HDMI, so you get a special cable inside the box to connect this with the HDMI port. And now looking at the back, now this device also comes with SD memory card. So you can insert as SD memory card for additional memory and you can also insert a SIM card. So that's it, guys. Two connections on the back side. On the front side, you've got two more connections. Very lightweight, all plastic, very nice design. Now let me take this out to my car, connect it, and then we start testing the different functions and features of this new AuroraLink CarPlay Android TV box. So keep watching, guys. Alright friends, so I'm in my car. I've got this AuroraLink CarPlay TV box with me. Now I will connect this with the cable. So I'll connect it with the Type C here. And at the same time, what I would like to do is see how long does it take to start and get to the main home page. So I've got my stopwatch ready here as well. So now let me connect it with my car. Alright, and start the timer. Alright, so 34 seconds. So it takes 34 seconds for the device to start and take us to this home page of the device. Alright friends, so this is the main home page or the landing page of this Android CarPlay media adapter. Now as I said earlier, this is the MediaTek interface. You know, the devices I've tested earlier were the Qualcomm chips. This is the MediaTek. That's why the look and feel is a bit different. I honestly like this one much better. This one has full flexibility on the customization, so which means basically you can change everything on the screen. You can long press this and move it to a different place if you want. You can change the favorites, so long press this and then you can change this. So if you want to change this, you can change to another one. If you don't want YouTube here, long press this, click on this, and then you can select a different application for you. So very nice layout. The customization is amazing on this device. That's why I like the MediaTek processor devices. All right, so this is the main home page. Now in the middle you've got the speedometer, and this actually works. I've tested this last night and it works quite accurately. I've compared the speed that we're getting on this icon here was with the car speed. It was quite nice. You've got the wireless Apple CarPlay and the wireless Android Auto logos here. You've got the media playing. You've got favorites as YouTube and Netflix, and as I said earlier, you can change this if you want the Prime videos, if you want to Disney Plus, you can change that as well. This is the home button, this is voice input, and then you also have room for 4 favorites that you can add. You just need to click on this and then select a different application. So for example, we select Waze, we add that to favorites, then we go back, we select let's say media, and then you've got the connections here: location, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and the SIM card connection. So very simple front page, landing page. If you swipe to the left, then you start seeing all the different pre-installed applications on this device. Now obviously this is an Android system, just like a tablet. You have the option of adding applications through the Play Store, or you can use the APK installer to install applications on this device. There are many pre-installed, so all these are pre-installed applications. I will install a few extra ones just for the test today, but as you can see, everything here is actually pre-installed. So it comes with so many pre-installed applications. So what I will do in this video, in order to test the performance of this AuroraLink CarPlay TV media box, I will start testing some of the important functions like the CarPlay, Android Auto, and also then test the different applications on this CarPlay adapter. Alright, so before we actually start testing this device and the different applications, I would like to actually connect this with internet. And there are 2 ways to connect this with internet. One, you can connect this with your mobile's hotspot. So you simply go to the settings, click on Wi-Fi, and then select your mobile's hotspot. This is the one I have. I've switched on the mobile hotspot. Click on this, insert the password, and then you get connected. Alright, and the other option is actually inserting a SIM card. If you have a data SIM card that you can get hold of, you can just go to your service provider and ask for a clone SIM card, and then insert that SIM card onto this device. That will give you the convenience of the device staying connected to internet all the time. You don't have to connect it with your mobile's hotspot. So in this case, now we've already connected the mobile's hotspot, and the test I would like to do now is see if when we switch on the car, does it automatically connect it back with my mobile's hotspot or not. Alright, so let me unplug the device and then connect the device back, and then let's see. I've got my hotspot on my iPhone. Let's see if the device connects with my mobile's hotspot directly without me clicking on any button. Alright, so it seems that the device is automatically connected and the Wi-Fi is on here. Go to the settings and check Wi-Fi is connected with my mobile's hotspot. So it automatically connects as soon as you switch on the car, and as long as the mobile's hotspot on your iPhone is switched on. Alright friends, so the first thing I would like to test on this device is actually YouTube. So let's click on this. I've got my video running, and one thing my viewers have asked me to check when playing video or any other video streaming app is to see if the video and the audio are in sync. And that's why I'm playing this particular video, to see if the audio video are in sync.
I'm Shaz, and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. I'm super excited about this video today. This is my
Alright, so the audio and the video are in sync. As you can see, it's perfectly aligned. Now this is a YouTube video which is playing in probably 720, and we can change the resolution if we want. We just want to see how much do we get in terms of resolution. So we do get 2K 1080p resolution on this device, but I do not recommend playing videos on 1080p on such a small car screen. The best I would say is 720. This does not overload the system. Now we can also use the steering wheel control to control the volume and the content played on the screen. So you can increase or reduce the volume
from the Play Store or other app sites.
And as said, 720p is good enough, and the video is playing quite nicely, smoothly, absolutely no buffering at all. So YouTube is playing quite nicely. Alright, so now let's test the navigation. Now I've noticed that it takes a few seconds extra to load applications, whether it's the YouTube or the navigation or other applications, probably because this is a 4GB RAM device. So a couple of seconds slower than the other 8GB kind of devices in the market. So this is navigation. We can just pick up a location. Let's pick up a gas station. There you go. So navigation is quite nice and smooth and fast. The screen is quite responsive as well. Looks quite nice. Now there is another very nice feature in this device called the split screen option. Now that split screen option allows you to have two applications running on the screen side by side at the same time. So we can test that. We just simply need to go here, click on this and click on the logo, select split screen, and then we split it with, let's say, whatever application you want on the side. So you've got navigation running on this side, and then you've got YouTube playing on the right side. So this is such an amazing feature that you get in these CarPlay devices, where you can follow the navigation on this side while your family can watch any video content running on the right side. All right, so now let's test Netflix. All right, so Netflix is fast to load, and I can skip scenes as well. As you can see, it's quite fast to skip scenes. Yeah, so no syncing issues as well. The audio and the video is in sync. We get quite nice quality as well. There you go. So Netflix is playing quite nicely. Right, so now let's connect wireless Apple CarPlay. So we click on this CarPlay icon. Takes us to this page. We open Bluetooth on your iPhone and look for this new device as Aurora 01F2. Click on this device, pair the device, allow it to sync contacts and favorites, and then it will take a few seconds for the device to connect with your mobile and take you to the home page of Apple CarPlay. Now this is a one-time setup. There you go. So one-time setup, you just need to create this connection once, and then every time you switch on the car, the mobile will be connected with the device and directly take you to the home page of Apple CarPlay like this. I won't explain all the different functions and features of Apple CarPlay in this video. This is about the Aurora TV box, but if you want to know more about how Apple CarPlay works and the functions and features of Apple CarPlay, you can go and watch my other video. Now the steps for Android Auto connection are exactly the same. You just need to go to your Android mobile, open Bluetooth and connect it with this device, and then just follow the instructions, the steps of connecting it, allowing it to sync the contacts and favorites, and then it will automatically take you to the home page of Android Auto. I don't have my Android mobile with me today, so I can't show you that, but believe me, it's very, very easy, identical steps in terms of connecting the Android mobile with this device to get to the Android Auto system. Alright friends, so this was a very quick review of this new AuroraLink CarPlay Android TV box car media adapter. Now, as I said earlier, I really like this MediaTek devices because the user experience is very different than the other devices I've tested. As you can see, it's very nice looking layout. The overall user experience, the look and feel is very different and amazing, I must say. So guys, if you are interested in this device, just go to the link in the description of this video that takes you directly to the official store where you can buy this new AuroraLink CarPlay Android TV box car media adapter. Thanks for watching, guys.